6 cases were detected in more than 6.8 million doses of the vaccine, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. Johnson & Johnson has paused its EU rollout, which started this week. It follows similar cases after doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine, which prompted curbs to its use. The FDA said it was recommending the temporary pause out of an abundance of caution. It confirmed that 1 patient died from blood clotting complications and another is in a critical condition. All 6 cases were in women aged between 18 and 48, with symptoms appearing 6 to 13 days after vaccination. Following the advice, all federal sites in the U.S. have stopped using the vaccine until further investigations into its safety are completed. State and private contractors are expected to follow suit. The U.S. has by far the most confirmed cases of COVID-19, more than 31 million, with more than 562,000 deaths, another world high. Johnson & Johnson is a U.S. healthcare company, but the vaccine was developed mainly by its pharmaceutical branch in Belgium, and is also known as Janssen. Unlike some of the other jabs, it is given as a single shot and can be stored at normal refrigerator temperatures, making it easier to distribute in hotter climates or more remote areas. While many countries have pre-ordered millions of doses, it has only been approved in a few nations. It was cleared for use in the U.S. on 27th of February, but the Pfizer-BioNTech and Moderna vaccines have been used more widely. The Janssen vaccine has been administered to nearly 7 million people in the U.S., which is around 3% of the total immunizations given so far. Dr. Anthony Fauci, the country's top COVID advisor, was too early to comment on whether he could revoke his authorization. South Africa, which was the first country to administer the vaccine, has also stopped its use, although no cases of blood clots have been reported in the country. The jab became the vaccine of choice thereafter. Studies showed it had a higher rate of protection against the South African variant than other jabs. Since mid-February, it has been received by nearly 300,000 health workers. The World Health Organization said it was monitoring the situation and awaiting reports from U.S. and European regulators. However, deliveries of the vaccine to EU countries began just 24 hours before Janssen said it would halt the European launch. As it has not yet been administered in the EU, experts will be looking to the United States to see what their next step is. The implementation of the vaccine in the EU has been criticized by the WHO for being too slow, and there are concerns that this latest delay could lead to further confusion. What do we know about the latest cases of blood clots? In a joint statement, the FDA and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, said they were reviewing data involving 6 reported cases in the United States of a rare and severe type of blood clot in individuals after receiving the Janssen vaccine. He said the clotting was called cerebral venous sinus thrombosis, CVST. The statement said that this type of blood clot needed a different treatment than usual. The common treatment, an anticoagulant drug called heparin, may be dangerous, it said. Pending a further review, the FDA and CDC recommended a pause in the use of this vaccine out of an abundance of caution. The joint statement said that people who have received the Johnson & Johnson vaccine who develop severe headache, abdominal pain, leg pain, or shortness of breath within 3 weeks after vaccination should contact their healthcare provider.